Introducing Conversational Thread with Paperpal's Research and Cite feature. Start with a focused question by accessing Research and Cite. Paperpal returns responses grounded in verified, published literature. Explore deeper into your research and learn more by asking a follow-up question to keep the thread going. Your follow-up questions stay in the same conversation organized as cards, so context is preserved, and there's no need to repeat topics. Maintain separate threads for focused conversations and expand any card to see the full summary and related reference papers. Add useful papers to your library in one click and keep writing while the conversation stays next to your draft. No switching tabs. Cite directly from various papers and turn questions into a connected flow, all in one place. Try Research Conversational Thread on Paperpal today.